So, good day, sir. This is our project, which is radio transmitter, and we're going to present it to you. I'm Micaela Morano, together with...
I'm John Mark Reyno.
I'm Alia Fatima Arara.
I'm Tristan Fernanda. I'm Lance Macariola.
So today, we will demonstrate the project radio transmitter. So ang una natin gagawin is i-test natin yung live audio using microphone. So pakiwan natin, no? So susunod natin gagawin is pakinggan natin doon sa radio. So tara. So para mapakinggan natin kung anong naririnig na radio transmitter is sinet namin siya sa 99.3 Hz para maset yung kanyang frequency. So nakikita nyo na nakaset siya sa 99.3 MHz, which is ito yung sinet naming frequency ng radio transmitter project. So i-test na natin siya using microphone.
Presenter John Mark Reyno. And magandang tanghali sa inyo.
So dating i-test is yung recorded audio or music na i-play ng kagrupo ko. So, like that. Base sa previous video, nakita natin na gumana yung ating radio transmitter project using recorded audio, then using microphone. So, nakita natin na gumagana siya ng maayos. Yun na. So, bago tayo magtapos, pakita muna natin sila ng kaperasong montage.
Let's get it crunk up on up, in this dancery. We got y'all open, now you're floating, so you got to dance for me.
So fast, time's a river flowing clear. The future's now the past. Tick tock, the rhythm's up. Time's playing tricks again. Joy.